Welcome to M&H MunchDown. I'm M. H is not here. H is in school right now, so I have my other son, Austin.
Hey, that's me. I'm doing good. First time being on the show, I'm looking pretty fancy over here. Got my Jabberwocky shirt on, you know how good it is.
I'm so happy he decided to do the challenge with me, Tasty. So today we are doing the Sour Pickle Whipped Cream Challenge by Tasty Mukbang Eats. Hi,
It's
Tasty.
the sour pickle. Dang.
I don't know how I do. He don't know how he likes pickles. I'm like, with pickles and the whipped cream, I have no idea. So we gonna see. We're gonna get into this. This is the pickles that we got. These right here.
Yeah. Pickles are good. Hopefully.
This is the whipped cream we are using. Get it in there. Alright. And we're going to get this challenge on and cracking. Now, we don't say grace even on these pickles.
Yeah, we can have a heart attack on these things. You don't even know.
Father God, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive for our body. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Alright. Get you a pickle.
Sour pickles, though? That couldn't have been sweet or something?
They're supposed to be sour.
Oh, I can smell the sour on.
That was the challenge. I was looking for the big pickles, but I didn't find no super big ones. So we got what was in there. Here, you want me to do yours first?
Yeah.
Look at that, yo!
Woo!
You're like...
Woo!
Alright, here we go. Tasty.
What, are we supposed to have some sweet and sour in here?
I don't know. Not that bad.
It's terrible.
You don't like it out? It could be worse.
It could be, but it's terrible. My taste buds ain't the biggest fan of whipped cream. That's why it tastes so weird. But after the whipped cream is gone, the pickle tastes nice.
See, I'm the opposite. I like the whipped cream more than I like the pickle. Yeah.
Cause that mixture of sweet and sour don't make no sense.
See, H, it wouldn't have been that bad. It's not that bad.
It's okay. But like I said, that whipped cream is like, it's gonna take me forever to eat this thing. This pickle taking too long to go down the system.
I need some more whipped cream.
You can see who eats all the junk, Mom.
I like sweet stuff.
I'm gonna be here forever, Mom. I'm taking my time trying to eat the pickle. Make sure I get every piece of the flavor out of the pickle. The whipped cream is trying to disappear.
So she was like, I'm not doing it.
Yep, so they asked me. I was like, what's the worst that could happen? Whipped cream. And a big old pickle.
Now, Tasty ate a whole jar.
Hmm? You better have to like both of these to 100% degree to eat a whole jar of these.
She was a champ. She ate a whole jar of pickles. That means we
What?
gotta eat all this.
No. I did not agree to that. I didn't sign a form.
Ooh.
I didn't do nothing. You just said eat one and we was good for the challenge.
I wanted you to try it. I thought you might like it since you like pickles.
But you added whipped cream to them. And whipped cream. And my stomach is like, yeah.
Ooh. See, I like the whipped cream part. Once that's done, I'm left with the sour pickle.
This pickle is okay too. It's not like it's the best pickle I've eaten. I like sweet pickles. Because if it was sweet pickles, it would be a whole different story. I'd have been,
Ooh.
But the sour pickle is like, what the heck is going on in my mouth? What's going down here? Stomach's like, hold up. Got something coming in that we don't know yet.
I'm trying, Tasty. It's number 2.
I'm still on
Not
number
enjoying it.
Austin's still
Oh,
on
whipped
numero
cream.
uno.
I couldn't even get my husband, CC, to do it.
Austin don't eat that fast. Unless it's something tasty.
Ooh.
But you're combining a meh pickle with some whipped cream. That don't work. That means Austin gonna eat kind of slow. I'd rather eat a napkin than eat this.
Got a napkin for you right here.
No, we're not gonna eat a napkin. Not on camera.
Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Did we have to do
Not that
this?
great.
Yeah, I can tell. As I'm still on my first one.
When Tasty tags you, you do the challenge. You do it.
See, and this is the show. It's
Ooh, that's
called.
too big. I'm gonna find me a small. Ooh, Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
What type of challenge is this? This is just random. Yeah, let's just put whipped cream on
Obviously, it's a challenge because you still on one pickle.
Like I
If
said.
it was an easy challenge, that's why it's called challenge. If it was easy,
But like
we'd
I
be going through
said,
it.
I don't eat fast. You don't want to choke on a pickle.
So I got chew it up. Chew, chew, chew.
I'm gonna move as slow as the Terminator. Cause these pickles taste kind of weird. I ain't gonna lie. But like I said, if we had some sweet pickles, it'd be a whole different story.
I can tell my stomach is gonna be a little upset with me.
That pickle's coming down there. I'm like, what the heck is coming down here? I'm like, pickles? She don't usually eat those. Emergency! Emergency! Random food coming down the drain.
Ooh.
I think this is the first bite of whipped cream I done had in a while already.
I think this is my last pickle.
This was the pickle that I signed up for, and this is the pickle that I'm eating. I'm gonna make sure I take my time, And make sure I don't die off of eating no pickle. Throw up none of that. I ain't Abraham. I ain't H. We ain't spitting stuff out over here. We taking it down. Whether I have to eat it slow.
So, yeah, this is gonna be my last one.
See? I am an H. I know my limits, and mine was 1. Ain't no challenge gonna make me throw up, not today. It's okay, Mama. You tried. Told you to stick with 1. You could have been sitting here having a good old conversation with the folks and just watching me eat this 1 pickle for like 10 minutes.
Tasty gonna be like, what type of a challenge was this? I tried, Tasty. We tried.
Like I said, 1.
Ooh.
They didn't say we was doing the whole jar. They didn't trick me.
Try to eat as much as you can.
Mine
You did a whole jar. Somebody can do a jar and 1 pickle. You could be the top challenge winner.
Yeah. Without dying? Like I said,
there's some people out there that love them some pickles.
That's what I said. There's people out here that can probably eat these 2 together with no problem. There's probably a person out there right now just like, my favorite food is pickles and whipped cream. Woo! I'm like, good luck with that. I'll take me a box of pizza and I'm good.
Oh, I'm done. I'm done. 3 pickles.
And it's down.
Oh. And some of this whipped cream.
Hand me a napkin, Mama.
Woo! So, that is it. We are done. I can't eat no more pickles and whipped cream.
See,
my stomach is like, no.
We almost had 1 go down today. It would have just been H at the end.
So we are going to say peace and cut it out.
Yeah.